No, let me address the people and we are trying to say, them don't make enough money. Me get it. Me understand. If you make 35, 45, 55,000, 65,000 maybe, if you have kids, me get it. But me gotta ask you a question. When we make a wood fire in Jamaica, we used to take a little time and make it up. So we get the little brem them, the little plastic, the little cardboard, the little paper, and we take with time. And as the fire catch, we start to add a little more to it and add a little more to it. We never just throw the big piece them in the fire, things say it will catch, and then that will not do. Watch this now. You work at KFC, you work at Popeyes, you work at McDonald's, you do little cleaning, you do little HHA, you do the little work them over there, do the little low entry work them. What do? Uno fly more than everybody else. Uno wear the more expensive thing more than everybody else. Uno want to have 3 and 4 picnic. Uno want to send ball to Jamaica 2 times a year. Uno want to have multiple baby mother. Uno want to live in a multiple different state. Uno want to do in Florida as sons. Every time Dexter that's there, Uno there. This Uno do a cartel show. And I say it work. Uno pressure the little job Uno have. Uno out the fire. Uno throwing too much one time. And that me I try to tell you, Uno no stay on the lane, gradually build on the income, and then you can start to enjoy the nice things where America willing to sell you. Uno no do that. Guess what Uno do? Everything in the world apart from increase on the income. Uno do everything in the world apart from increase the value. When somebody would have willingly pay you. When you do all of them job there, if you're in Florida, you get 13, 14. You're there in New York, you might get 21, 22, or maybe 23. I guarantee you, if you increase your worth, if you increase your value to the marketplace, you will get the 40. You will get the 35. So the time when I take a tell me, say, it tough. I show you too enough.